Nigy, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot Nigy, I'm a shot at selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, you don't know the dad is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang, you don't know is when you done in the lab, boy, I deal with crazy reactions and crazy bangers on the top. Now I've said that by now. You're supposed to know what time it is by now. Yeah, man, gang, and so we are doing today. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Father Blind himself. Yeah, Mr. Father. Me see everything where I going. You see me? I say, yeah, man, we're there with none other than Nigy, boy. You see me? And one of my favorite female artists reacting on the channel. We're there with none other than Moyann. Yeah, man, gang. The one named Unfair. Right, check it out and see what I do. Yo! Nigy, what you doing? Eh? What you doing, Moyann? I hope you treat her good in the dog. How are you going? Moyann, you keep up your foolish. Hope you behave yourself, you know. I check it out and see what I'm going. Yeah, man, gang, jump right in the chat. Nigy boy, Moyann, Unfair, let's get it.
We're not gonna deal with this. You know what my things that me and
Hey.
the literally serious right
Cheers, is that George? Man, do whatever you want to do.
now. Serious, we're not still put up with this.
Woman, ease yourself
You have to find somebody else to deal with this.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, man, go on your ways, man. You know, run it down. You see me, I say, me just I can know what I'm going to rate. If you want to go on, man.
But yeah, man, it's somebody else's request. You can pack your
Fox!
that you want to do.
Fox! Tell him again, Nigy, the Nigy boy. Oh, I'm telling you.
And that's a sir?
Oh, you mean?
Try don't call back my phone.
You say whatever you want to say, man. Reach
I'm
out
here
and
to
touch
chat
the
now.
Lord.
It's alright.
Reach out and touch the Lord. Nigy, why you joke? Hey,
No, yeah.
don't tell me say I go ball after, Nigy. Don't tell me I go ball after. What's all going?
Like.
Frost, me know two wrongs don't make right, but life's unfair. So, Moyann, you better wake up.
Yes.
And if life unfair at the end of the day, oh no man selfish and jealous. Nigy won't make you stay so.
Ah boy, baby me hear you, but I just human nature. If the ratio of woman to man at 10 to 1, why playing at the same boat?
Boy, you must see mad me and the next girl not staying at the same house. One chase the world this time, me up my things and leave you.
You don't think I don't see the moves you make.
Yeah, think you dog to see what I'm going?
Remember, I am the king in this game.
Oh, you mean, me man? Yourself. Don't think me see the moves that are going here. You know, say the games that I play, you know, man. Oh, I'm telling you, say I'm a king in the game, you know. I'm me the king on the chessboard, you know. And no, don't tell the kings. Hey, I want you. Hey, you are going. Queen candidate can make a next. Hey, pull it up it, bomb up, please. Pull it up. Yeah, man. Run it back. Tune.
My things that me and
Hey. Acho.
the literally serious.
Acho.
Cheers, is that George? Man, do whatever you want to do.
Do it.
We're not still put up with this.
Woman, ease
You
yourself
have to
and
find
come.
somebody else to deal with this.
Oh, that's simple then.
That's simple. Find somebody else with that. That's simple thing. Simple maths. Not say a word.
Yeah, man, it's somebody else's request. You can pack your things and go.
Yeah, man.
And that's a sir? And that's a sir?
Oh, you mean?
Try don't call back my phone.
You
That's
say
all
whatever you
right.
Yeah, man.
want to say, man. Reach
I'm
out
here
and
to
touch
chat
the
now.
Lord.
It's alright.
Reach out and touch the Lord. Hey.
Let me kill you. No, yeah. She like.
Do your thing, mama. I'll tell you.
Frost, me know two wrongs don't make right,
Yeah.
but life's unfair. So,
Yeah.
Moyann, you better wake up.
Yes.
And if life unfair at the end of the day, oh no man selfish and jealous.
Why you say that, mama? Don't say that. Don't say so, man.
Nigy won't make you stay so.
Ah boy, baby me hear you, but I just human nature. If the ratio of woman to man at 10 to 1, why playing at the same boat?
Yeah. 10 to what? Come on.
Boy, you must see mad me and the next girl not staying at the same house. One chase the world this time, me up my things and leave you.
You don't think
I don't. Go
I
on.
don't see the
Moves you're making. Think man not blind, eh? Think you not blind. Alright.
Remember, I am the king
In this game,
If you leave, everything will remain the same.
no see how we're up to you.
Remember, I am the king in this game.
You won't find a next girl like me. Mark my words, you try tread lightly. Queen in the deck, no boy can style me. Them girl no want Nigel, them want
Yeah, coach. Yeah, wait, Massacre. Alright, go on.
Nigy.
Baby, you can't go and scrutinize me. Members of them girl love me blindly. Call me
Boom.
narcissist.
Baby, you can't scrutinize me. I must say, girl, up and deep, blindly. You see me, I say.
All you want, but la, one girl can't tie me. You don't think, I don't see the moves you're making. Remember,
Yes.
I am the
King in this game. Remember, I know, mama. Hey.
If you leave, everything will remain the same. Remember, I am the
King in this game.
Stop play pretend, girl.
Yes.
Me know you don't wanna leave. You just a say the things. Fi make me eyes start bleed. And me it start
Bad. Go on.
at me.
Yeah.
Baby, no bother with your antics. Me know you just a chatter bag of madness. So I make me feel put up and practice. Hey.
You don't see the things you do, and that's not fair. You gon' realize you lost me when I'm not there. Suppose your ego, try me again, and yes, amigo. Lock off me up.
Try me again. That me say that. Go down. I'm tell you what. Kiba. Sit down. I'm tell you.
You a real deceiver. Me find a next man when me want to feature.
You don't think I don't see the moves you make. Remember, I am the king in this game. If you leave, everything will remain the same. Remember, I am the king in
Is his father blind? Don't play with him. Go in. Happy King. I'm tell you. Move up. Move up. King win. I'm tell you. Big up all like queen them in our deck, you know? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. You don't know king and kings. You see me? I just say things said. Yeah, man, gang. Nigy boy, Moyann. Definitely a fun track. You see me? I say, if you fun, playful track, they sound very cohesive. You see me? They work well together. You see me? I say, they work well together. Dope track, playlist track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Look up my track, Maria. You be a good show. Look at it. They can just play that. Calm down, mama. I want to tell the king wrong thing, dad. You see yourself. You see yourself. But yeah, man, nice track, man. You know, nice like, relationship, you know. If you had a couple of them, you probably go through them little thing or them little, you know, have them little spats here and there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But yeah, man, fun chat between Nigy boy and Moyann. You see me down in the man for your gang. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know, say, yo, I did dance. No. You see me? I say, also drop your drop a request so you can get your shout out and let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, visuals, all that good stuff. You see me? I say, let me know in the comment section. Let's get a dialogue going. Let's chop it up, gang, man. Real dope track. Nigy boy, unfair. Say that above. Father blind. That you doing? I have it, man. Go and do your thing, man. Yeah, man. Nigy boy continuing streak with the bangers, them. You see me? I say, it's a good look. It's a good look. It's a good look. Yeah, man, gang. Till next time. You don't know. Drop a request so you can get your shout out. You don't know, road to 10K. We are 7K. We 3K away from 10K. Gang, let's make that shit happen. I know we can do it. You know what I'm saying? I know we can do it, man. You know, get me to 10K. We can do it in a month. You get 3K in a month? Yeah, come on. Let's do it, gang. Anyway, gang, till next time, take care of yourself and each other. What's the important part? Each other, man. Take care of each other, man. And take care of yourself, man. You know what I'm saying? Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself. Love you guys. And I'm out.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.